Right, welcome back. What we want to do is to look at CTNG 2357. Now, please remember that this number may have since changed to the 5357, but the technical principles still remains the same. Okay? Now again, here you need to extract the information and make it your own. Okay? Now I don't need to do a lot of talking in this case because a lot of this is quite self-explanatory. Okay? And here is some symbols showing you positive one side, negative the other. Read the information given. Okay? Do some research of your own. Make sure you understand the concepts behind it. And you'll see that it says directed numbers. Be aware of your definition in regards to directed numbers. Write it out. Don't think you know it, you must know it. Now here we're looking at signs. Remember where there's two negatives makes a positive, but be aware of whether or not it's positive, negative, or otherwise. Now again, be aware of the information, extract information, write it out, make it your own. Sorry. And here we're showing you the order in which you need to work through mathematical problems. Okay, and here we're simply giving you a sample of it. Now it's okay, I've just noticed that there might be an error in one of these slides, okay, so bear with me. But the information still remains the same, it's just that it didn't come out the way I had expected to be laid out. So let me just go back a moment, okay. 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 Okay, I have it now. Yes, thank you. Okay. My apologies. It's just to make sure that the information comes up as it should have done. This can be remembered as BODMAS or BIDMAS. Now remember, BODMAS was an earlier time, okay, and brackets order of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That would have been your sequence, okay. So bear that in mind. But today version is BIDMAS, brackets, integer, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now integer simply refers to numbers, okay. And here we are showing you how BODMAS has been applied and what it means. Now again, write out the information, use pen and pencil and paper, old-fashioned methods, you can't beat it. Now for those of you who may not know your timetables, I am considering doing a timetable session as well. 2 times to 12 times, okay, that will be my limitations there. But in due course, that's for another time, okay. And you can see that 5 4 is 20, okay. Then it goes on to show you how the brackets are used. Make sure you get familiar with that so you can know how to apply it. And this is multiplication, okay, so a little bit missed off the N. Brackets. Now here is showing you exactly how to utilize the brackets and how they are removed, okay. Write it out, old-fashioned pen and paper, just kind of beat it. Apply that process and you'll find it comes out. Okay. Here again, exercises. Do the exercises first before you look at the answers. But I'm going to provide you with the answers anyway. Okay? For those of you who like an easy life without too much work. But believe me, there's no such thing as an easy life without work. I know. Okay? Okay, that will be it for now. Thank you. I hope you will find this useful. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.